Hello traders, today I want to show you how I passed the My Funded FX challenge using Malaysian SNR. I was analyzing gold, I called it on my Discord. Here showed the setup and fresh 4H SNR levels that you can find with my Malaysian SNR indicator. The daily storyline was bullish. I was waiting for a pullback to one of these 4H support levels. And then I would look for buys if I get an indication that price is going higher, any kind of price action. And on a lower time frame I entered pretty early, a bit too early. I'll show this in a moment. On the first entry where I tried to slice in, I was stopped out, and then I added to the trade to a level of a resistance where I calculated that I will pass the challenge with this one trade. You see, this was the first entry here at this wick, which is risky, but I used a tight stop loss and a low amount. But after that we had another rejection and a 15 minutes breakout, and then I saw this nice round bottom, a confirmation that the trade is going to work, and then I added more and more to the trade, calculated the TP for passing the challenge with one trade and held it overnight. That's it. You see it in the My Funded FX dashboard. It is a small account, 5k. I don't need that, it's just for demonstration. It's a one-step challenge, you have to do 10%. Yeah, and here you see the trade history. I was stopped out on the first one, then I entered long again and added to the trade till I reached the 10%. Okay, so let's go to the charts and have a look how I found this trade. This is a daily futures chart for gold. And I was analyzing the chart in the evening when the daily candle closed and enabled my Malaysian SNR indicator and saw at this level that we didn't close below this support, and at this support we had a daily reject daily. So what you can do is to mark these levels on a daily time frame, and I have a template for the lines so that I can see that these are daily levels. So I apply this and then I copy this ray to this support, and then I can switch to a 4-hour time frame just to see if we had a breakout on this time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, because then I know that we are in a daily bullish storyline. So this is what I'm looking for: daily rejects daily and a 4-hour breakout, and this tells me the direction. The storyline is bullish. And I want to see a pullback to a 4-hour support level inside of this last leg to the upside, because now price is too high. I want it to come down a bit. And again I activate the Malaysian SNR indicator on the 4-hour time frame to see the fresh levels that are not tested. Then I want to see price coming down to one of these levels and reject. I'll show this in a moment. Again I can mark these levels of support. I have another template for the 4H time frame. And to find a good entry, I switch to a 15 minutes time frame and wait for price to reject one of these levels that I marked. And here you see how we rejected from a 4-hour level and had another breakout on the 15 minutes time frame. I let price come down a bit more, saw a rejection of a 15-minute support and entered the trade. By the way, this was my second entry. I was stopped out here at the first one, that's okay, and then I re-entered after I saw the breakout. Then we got this round bottom shape and price was going into my favor, so I was adding to the trade. And this was basically it. In the morning I got an alert that my TP is reached and the challenge is passed. I described this in detail in my ebook about Malaysian SNR trading that you get when you register as a TG member on my Patreon. You also get the indicator Malaysian SNR levels on TradingView. Just go to the Patreon, link is in the description, and join as TG member. And the best thing is you get a premium role in the Discord where I share my setups and we can talk about trading. It's a really nice community. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you do, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you have any questions, add these to the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one here on the Trading Guide.